Have you ever wanted to learn English but felt completely lost and confused? Today, you learn 3 simple ideas. They make learning English easy and fun. Welcome to EnglishShadowLab. I am Lina, and I am so happy you are here with me today. Subscribe to our channel now and get a new English lesson every single day. We really appreciate your support. Let us jump in, and here is the truth that will change everything. Most people try to learn everything at once. They open a book and study verbs, grammar, animals, clothes, and food all on the same day. And at the end of the day, they feel tired, they feel confused, and they remember almost nothing. But there's a better way, a smarter way, and it starts with one simple word: theme. A theme is just a topic. It is one subject, something you can talk about. It really is that simple. For example, food is a theme, home is a theme, family is a theme, shopping, weather, feelings, all of these are themes. Here's the idea. Each week, you choose just one theme, not 5 topics, not 10 words from 10 different areas, just one. One theme, one focus, 1 week. Simple, right? One theme per week. Why does this work? Because when your brain focuses on one thing, it can go deeper, it can make stronger connections, and the words stay in your memory much longer. Let me give you a real example. Imagine this week your theme is food. Every day this week you look at food words. You listen to short English content about food. You write short sentences about food. You do not study verbs today, animals tomorrow, and clothes the day after. You stay with food, just food. Day by day, your brain builds stronger connections. The words become familiar. They start to feel natural. You can write words like bread, rice, eggs, and chicken. You can make simple sentences. Something like, I eat rice. My mom cooks chicken. I love fresh bread. Those sentences feel real because they're about your life, about things you actually eat and see every day. Now try saying this out loud. I eat rice. My mom cooks chicken. Say those sentences right now. Feel how natural they sound. Maybe next week your theme is home. You learn words like bed, door, window, kitchen, table, and sofa. You write sentences like, I sit on the sofa. I open the window. I clean the kitchen every morning. The week after that, your theme is feelings. Words like happy, sad, tired, excited, and scared. Short, clear, and real is the goal. And you write, I feel tired today. She's happy. He looks a little sad. This is slow learning, but it's strong learning. You're not rushing, you're not stressed. Now try this. Say your theme for this week out loud. Just say the word, food, home, feelings. Say it. Think of it like building a house. You don't build all the rooms in one day. You build one room at a time, carefully, solidly. That's exactly how you build your English, one theme at a time. After 10 weeks, you know 10 themes, and slowly, naturally, you begin to speak. You begin to understand, and you feel proud of yourself. So remember this: don't try to study everything. Choose one theme each week. Stay with it. Use it. Enjoy it. One theme, 1 week. That's your plan. Now I want to tell you about something that most people completely forget when they learn a language. It's something powerful, something that your brain loves, and when you use it, you remember English much faster and much longer. It's emotion, your feelings. Yes, emotion. That one thing changes everything. Let me explain. Emotions are your feelings. When you're happy, that's an emotion. When you're sad, that's also an emotion. Excited, nervous, scared, proud, all emotions. But why do emotions matter for learning English? Here's the answer, and it's important. When you feel something real, your brain pays more attention. It remembers more. It learns much deeper. Let me give you an example. You hear a joke in English. You laugh. You smile. You feel happy. Do you forget that sentence? No, you do not forget it. You remember it. Because you felt something. That feeling made the memory stronger. Or imagine you listen to a short story about a mother and her child. You feel warmth. You feel love. That feeling stays with you, and the English in that story stays with you too. So, how can you connect emotions to your English learning? Here are 4 simple ways. First, watch short videos or movie scenes, not just to understand every word. Watch the faces, listen to the voices, let yourself feel the moment. Second, listen to music in English. Songs talk about love, hope, sadness, and joy. When one line feels special to you, that feeling helps you remember those words. Third, read simple short stories. Even a very short story can make you feel surprised, calm, or curious. That emotion will help you learn more deeply. Fourth, and this is my favorite, talk or write about your own feelings in English. Say things like, I feel tired today. I am so happy right now. My friend is a little sad. When you use your own feelings, English becomes personal. It becomes real. You are not just learning a language, you are living it. You are using English to show who you are, and that, my friend, is very powerful. This is how children learn, with feeling, with connection, with emotion. So do not be afraid to feel something when you learn. That feeling is part of the journey. Now, try this. Say one sentence right now about how you feel at this moment. Maybe, I feel happy. I feel a little tired. I feel excited. Say it out loud. That's your emotional English moment. Okay, now I want to talk about something that will completely change how you see English study. Most people think, to learn English, I need to study for 1 hour. I need to sit at my desk. I need a textbook. I need a schedule. But here's the truth. You do not need hours. You do not need a desk. You do not need to feel tired or bored. All you need are small English moments. What is a moment? It's just a short time, maybe 1 minute, maybe 5 minutes. Small, easy, simple, but powerful. Let me walk you through a whole day of small English moments. In the morning, you wake up, you stretch, you brush your teeth. Can you say one sentence in English right now? Something like, I feel sleepy. The water is cold. I have a busy day today. That's your first English moment of the day. Just one sentence. That's enough. During the day, you walk outside. You look at the sky. Can you say something in English about what you see? Maybe, the sun is shining today. It's a little cloudy. There are many people on the street. Another small moment, and you didn't even sit at a desk. At lunchtime, you open your food. Look at it for a second. Try to name it in English. Say it quietly in your mind. I like oranges. The soup is hot. The bread smells good. Another small English moment. Done. Easy, right? No stress at all. Before bed, you are tired. You think about your day. Try to say 2 or 3 sentences in English about what you did. Something like, I worked hard today. I called my sister. I read a few pages of a book. That's your final English moment for the day. Now, think about this. In one day, you had 4 or 5 small English moments. Each one was maybe 2 or 3 minutes long, but together they are powerful, they are strong, and they help your brain learn slowly and gently every single day. When you do this every day, English becomes a natural part of your life, not something you only do after work, not something you save for the weekend. It becomes a habit, a good, easy habit, something you do without thinking, just like drinking water or brushing your teeth. English becomes part of your day, and that is the secret. Not hours, not pressure, not stress, just small, simple English moments every day. Now, I want to share one more idea, and I think this one might be my favorite. Most people start learning English with a book or maybe an app on their phone. But today, I want you to try something completely different. I want you to start with your world. Yes, your own world. Your home, your kitchen, your street. The things you see and touch every single day. Start learning English with your life, with real things, with your things. Let me show you how. In the morning, you go to the kitchen. You open the fridge. You look at your food. Stop for one moment. Look at one item. Ask yourself, What is this called in English? Maybe you see milk. Maybe you see cheese. Maybe you see something and you do not know the English word. No problem. Just check. Use your phone, a picture dictionary, or Google Translate. Look up just one word. Only one. That is enough for today. Why only one word? Let me explain. Because one word today and one word tomorrow over weeks and months becomes many, many words. Now let us go outside. You go for a walk. You look at your street. What do you see? A tree? A car? A dog? A bus? A traffic light? Say the word in English if you know it. If you do not know it, check it. Then say it out loud. That word is now part of your day, part of your memory, part of your English. This is not just studying. This is living with English. English becomes part of your daily life. It is not just a subject in a book. It is something connected to you. And that, right there, is the best way to learn English. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today here on EnglishShadowLab. I really mean that. You listened to this whole lesson, and that means you are already doing something powerful. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to know everything right now. You just need to keep going, one step at a time, one day at a time, one small moment at a time. Here's your challenge for today. Choose your theme for this week. Maybe food, maybe home, maybe feelings. Write it down right now. Then find just one word from that theme and use it in a sentence today. Just one word, just one sentence. That's your starting point. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to EnglishShadowLab. Click the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. If this video helped you, please give it a like. It helps more people find us. And please share this video with a friend who is also learning English. Sharing really does help us grow. Now I have one question for you. Write your answer in the comments below. What theme will you choose for this week? Food, home, feelings, or something else? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. I love hearing from you. EnglishShadowLab is not just a channel. It's a community of learners from all around the world. People just like you. People who want to speak better, feel more confident, and never stop growing. When you join us, you're never alone. Everyone here is learning and growing together. So please subscribe. Come back every day and be part of our English learning family. Every word you learn today is one more step forward. Every small moment counts. Every sentence you say brings you closer to the speaker you want to be. I believe in you. Keep going. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now.